Well, this is Sean with DriveThru-DriveBy again. We keep getting these emails from Jared over at Subway begging us to come by and try the barbecue chicken, a Smokehouse BBQ chicken. Something new he's launched. He's pretty proud of it. I'm not sure about Subway doing barbecue, but Jared's a big fan of the show, so we do this one for him. I got mine on flatbread with lettuce, black olives, jalapenos, pickles, mustard, and some black pepper. But you can get yours however you want it. Let me dive in here and see what's going on. Barbecue chicken. It's not real barbecue-y. I mean, it's not from a smokehouse or nothing, but it's pretty good. You probably want to throw on some peppers or something to put a little spice into it. Probably on the flatbread, about a 7.5 on a scale of 1 to 10. They're selling the footlongs right now for $6. Go try you one at Subway. That'll help get Jared off my back. And let me know how you like it. Thank you guys. See you next time. Take care.